Hi, it's Erica. Let me demonstrate my outline sculpting today. That's what I call it anyway, I have no better word for it. So I just take a piece of paper, like you can see here. It's just a regular print paper, so I will need to reinforce it with some wire and masking tape, which will also allow me later to shape the bottom the way I want it. I also do this on the side, and now I can see if I like the form as it is on the other side as well, and just keep adding more wire on the sides and on the top as well. After this, I'm making some adjustments to the dress. I play with it for a little while, and then I start adding the pop, which will harden the print paper. Once the inside of the dress hardens, I will cover the other side as well, and then it's time for the bodice. I will use a doll for this purpose and some foil. I press against her body and just reinforce it with masking tape. Then I cut away all the excess foil and just keep shaping, pressing against the doll and cutting away all the excess on the top as well. Once I'm finished with the front, I will take a mold of the back as well, and then just take a piece of foil, place it on the top of the dress, then outline it with a pencil and place both pieces on it. So now I have my bodice, and I can join them together on the top with some tape as well. I inserted some sleeves in here and just adjusting the frills there, and finish it with more pop on the sleeves and on the bodice itself. All that's left is some embellishments, and the piece is finished. If you would like to add something or you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and have a great day.